What's up guys, welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. Today we're going to be reviewing the Cadillac Hotel and Beach Club in Miami. Upon arriving, the room was ready and we got into our 2-queen bedroom. The hotel is a part of Marriott's Autograph Collection and considered a boutique hotel. The hotel has one main restaurant called Don Amar, as well as the lunch spot near the pools called Bungalow, and they also have a coffee shop called El Mercado. The hotel has direct beach access across the walkway, 2 pools with one being adults only, and a small gym. Not to mention they also have 2 small conference rooms. Moving on to rating the experience, for the first category of location, this is a 7 out of 10. The location is good. It's directly on Miami Beach. It is, however, not in walking distance to the South Beach area or a lot of restaurants that are not in hotels. You will need an Uber unless you want to walk a mile, and sometimes Ubers take a long time with traffic. However, it is close to other hotel restaurants, which always can be a good option. Service, I thought it was a 7 out of 10. The staff were very friendly the whole time, but service was quite slow. We waited a little too long for our food, both breakfast and lunch, and one day the room would not have been serviced if we didn't call. We also charged a 20% service charge on all food and beverage. It is automatic. Service should be better for that. For the food, I thought it was a 7 out of 10. The food is good, don't get me wrong, but it is expensive for what it is, not to mention the 20% service charge. The thing that I don't like for the breakfast was my Platinum Elite status. They gave us breakfast coupons, but only covers the cold portion of the buffet. It's an extra $18 per person for the full buffet, and the normal buffet was $45. That is not including the mandatory 20% service charge. That being said, you're over $50 for a buffet breakfast, and it's way overpriced for what it is. It wasn't some exquisite platter, it was a normal breakfast buffet, and last time I was at the Waldorf, they weren't even charging that much. Lastly, for the room, I thought it was an 8 out of 10. The room was nice, it was decent sized, we had a good view of the pool. Overall, it could use a refresh in the bathroom, but the room was actually very clean overall. I'm very happy with it. For the total, the Cadillac Hotel and Beach Club scored a 29 out of 40, and how did I pay for this? Well, it was a cash rate at the time of $350 a night. What do you think of the video? Have you stayed at the Cadillac Hotel and Beach Club? Have you ever been to Miami? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you could hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a great day.